All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. This video is brought to you by BENKS. They have a wide variety of screen protectors for your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. And I'm actually going to be putting on, let's do the anti-reflective version here. This is the crystal clear version. So we'll put on the anti-reflective version here. We'll get it unboxed. My Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is brand new here in the box. And so the first video I need to do is a screen protector because I found out that they don't come with screen protectors. Shout out to Kia 2 Technical. I was watching her video and she said, hey, this doesn't come with a screen protector. And I thought, well, I will go ahead and put my tempered glass on first from BENKS. So thank you to BENKS for sponsoring this video. This is the packaging that it's going to come in to you if you decide to purchase one of these. I'll have a link in the description. You can check out all the information on the packaging here. Scratch resistant, enhanced, explosion proof. I don't know about that, but this is the way it's going to come to you. So let's pop it open here, and then we'll open up the Galaxy S25 Ultra. And I hope it has a tray. It should have a tray. Got the famous 2008 BENKS sticker here. They put these in there, and it does have a tray. So this will be just a quick one felt swoop and it's on, which is really nice. So you just put it on, pull it, and then you're good to go. Yep. So one is here. This one right here will remove the dust. You do one first and then two. And you could actually use this, but the phone is brand new. So I'm not really going to mess with that. I'm just going to put this right on. So now let's get to the phone. So this is the packaging here. Your Galaxy S25 Ultra will come in. And I went with the jet black color. There we go. And obviously there's nothing in this box, so we won't bore you with that. But here is the phone itself. So I'm going to go straight in, and I'll use this box here because you got the camera modules here. So don't worry about seeing the device or anything. I'm going to get to that in my first impressions video. So again, you put this on and you pull tab number 1 first. And it says right there, pull down, do not pull down to remove dust. And this is going to swipe all the dust off your device when you put it on. So this is the top here. So we're going to take this off. That didn't go well. All right. And again, I'm just using this box here to keep it steady. And so you can see how it goes in. And so now I'm going to pull number 1. There we go. Nice and simple. And then I'm going to pull number 2. It would not work. Pause. Okay, that was a fail, but my installation was not. So I just took it apart and pulled the tip of the glass off. I had to read for a second just to be sure. I'll push aside some of these bubbles, and there you have it. So real world, that's what happened. Yeah, but it looks good once I get it on here. So the glass went on fine. That number 2 was too weak to actually pull through properly. So, but no bubbles or anything in the glass, as you can see there. And this is how it's going to look for you once you actually get it on your device. So the BENKS tempered glass goes on simple. It is on there. And I pushed out a few bubbles and that was it. Crystal clear. So now I will get on to more BENKS products for you, but the link to purchase this particular glass, don't let that deter you, folks. Yours might come and work perfectly fine when you pull number 2. Unless you were just supposed to take off of the cage, and you probably were. Again, I don't read instructions. Yeah, you probably were supposed to pop this on and take it off and then pull number 2, because once I pulled it off, the screen protector, clear plastic that was on there, just popped right off and the glass was there. So it went on good. The jet black Galaxy S25 Ultra is here, protected by BENKS, and I've got more BENKS products for you lined up. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed the first video from BENKS. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.